Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to restore MySQL database using PHP. This is the PHP script that I am going to use to restore the MySQL database. You can download the PHP script by visiting the link address given in the video description. So I am going to the PhpMyAdmin to export a database to the system. This is just for a demo purpose. I am going to export this database and its table to the PC. You can go to the export section to export the database. The file is finally exported to the PC. Now we can access them on the downloading section. Just cut it and go to the restore MySQL folder that I created before and place it there. Now we need to get the location of restore_database.sql. We can copy the location of the file like this. Copy and paste the location to the $file path variable and change the path slashes like the following. Now we are going to the PhpMyAdmin again and creating a new database. The database name is restore. We created a new database now. So go to the program file again and define the database on the MySQL connection. Now we need to browse the restore.php page, which is located under the restore MySQL folder. Access the restore_MySQL folder via browser through localhost. We are in the folder now. Now we need to click on the restore.php page. The restoring is completed now. Now we can go to the restore database. There we can see the restored tables from the old database restore_database. You can see the same table is restored to the restore database, the new database that we created. This is how we restore database using PHP. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you like the video.